think the internet is a bit slow. Yeah, so from now, make sure that before you guys start your presentations here, make sure to commit the code to the repository. So I can clone it મારા સિસ્ટમમાં અને આપણે બંને પેરેલલમાં કામ કરી શકીએ while we take up the presentations. And we have one more person here. She is my friend, Palak Panchal. My school friend actually. We have grown up together since junior KG, right, Palak? Something
Yes.
you want to introduce about yourself?
Hi guys, so my name is Palak Panchal અને હું અત્યારે eWords માં કામ કરું છું as a QA engineer. So Shail said that he is starting some good work, so I thought let me join. So here I am.
Yeah, and eWords is my previous company જે અમે લોકો સાથે work કરતા હતા, luckily, right? After studying together from junior KG, we were working
Yes.
in
Yeah.
the same company here.
Yeah.
And she is a tester, so Kishan and Lokesh, she could be a great help, right? આજે awaiting field validation નું મેં જે description આપ્યું એ right છે, right, Palak? For the testing team.
Actually એ વાળું મેં નથી દેખ્યું.
Okay.
હું late join થઈ, sorry.
Oh, okay, no problem. So I was just telling them that આપણે Jira નો workflow manage કરી શકીએ છે. Like we can just go here. We can update the workflow. For example, આપણી પાસે જે developers છે, they will build the tickets, right? So that will be in the to-do phase. When they start doing it, it should go in progress. And when they're done, it should go to done, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Considering the testing team, જે કિશન અને લોકેશ work કરી રહ્યા છે અત્યારે, Emma, it's going to be in the to-do phase, then it's going to be in test, right?
Yes, that's correct.
And they start testing. When they are done testing, it's going to be in the awaiting field validation, like so that we can know, right? Okay, they will assign the ticket to us, to me and Kushalbhai, and that would go in the awaiting validation. When we perfectly check it, it will go to the done phase.
Yes, that's correct.
Right? So I think that should be the workflow for the testing.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, like Kushalbhai is going to work on Jira. And yeah. And I like to tell you guys that Palak is an inspiration for us. કારણ કે આપણે total YouTube પર 37 કે 39 videos upload કર્યા છે, right? And Palak has seen most of them until now, before she joined.
Yeah, હું અત્યારે 28th કે 29th પર છું. Yet to complete.
Yeah. What are your feelings about what's going on?
It's really nice. Yes.
Yeah, what do you think about the scope?
It's really good. Actually, મને એટલે જ વર્ક બી કરવું હતું એના ઉપર. So, અને I feel કે બહુ જ સરસ વસ્તુ છે કે બધાને શીખવા બી મળશે અને it's like really nice.
Yeah. I think Bitbucket is down. Our repository, okay, it's up. And Palak, whenever you want to start programming, you can, if you want to add your features or anything that you learn over Python, you can clone it directly from here. Git na the videos jo hai, right? It's available about how this thing works. Have you worked with the repository before?
Job પર વર્ક કરીએ છીએ એ જ અલગથી નહીં.
I think eWords is using SVN, right?
ના, હું બીજા પ્રોજેક્ટ પર કામ કરું છું, eWords IO પર.
Okay.
Yeah, તારું વાળું અલગ હતું totally.
Okay. As far as I know, they were working on the SVN subversion repository.
Yeah, એ બીજી પ્રોડક્ટ છે.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I think આપણું Bitbucket server down છે, so we'll have to wait until it's up. Yeah, and so next we'll start with the presentation unless anyone has any questions, right? So first let's move with Prit and Shreyansh, what they have developed on the webpage.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you the permissions. Yeah, go ahead guys, grab the share.
તો સર મારું ટાસ્ક એ હતો કે અહીંયા આપણે જે ટેક્સ્ટ બોક્સમાં આપણે જે ક્વેશ્ચન કે ક્વેરી લખીએ છે યુઝર અને સબમિટ ઉપર ક્લિક કરશે તો એ જે અંદર કન્ટેન્ટ છે તે ગમે એક ફાઇલમાં સેવ થવું જોઈએ.
Okay, just a minute before you start. Lokesh and Kishan, are you guys here? Lokesh is here, right? Lokesh and Kishan. You
Yes,
guys
sir.
need to have understanding of this in order to test, right?
Oh, okay, sir.
So, yeah, go ahead, Prit Shreyansh.
જેમ કે અહીંયા હું કઈ લખું છું અત્યારે જેવું સબમિટ પર ક્લિક કરશો એટલે એક ફાઇલ ડાઉનલોડ થઈ જશે અને એમાં જે કન્ટેન્ટ લખેલું હતું એ આવી જશે ફાઇલમાં સેવ થઈ જશે.
Okay, okay, this is a good development. Okay, so what is the code that you have used on the back end? Could you show it really quick?
Yes.
Is it file open? No use kare file open close, right?
Yes.
Document.create element. Okay, encoding is set to UTF-8. Okay, set attribute download. Okay, function acha, right? Encode URI component.
Yes.
Okay. Kai language by the way? It is HTML5. Okay,
JavaScript.
Okay, JavaScript હું શીખું છું actually, પણ just rough idea ખાલી લઉં છું ઉપરથી જોઈને. Style.display property by default none છે. Document.body of child. Okay, એટલે જે બી text આપણે next નાખીશું, it will go to the text file without recreating it, right? Or it will recreate it.
Recreate.
Could you put something else again on the chat box?
Yes. નવી જ ફાઇલ ક્રિએટ થઈ જશે.
Okay. So I think here one more step should be that try researching it કે તમે લોકો એક જ ફાઇલમાં next લાઇનમાં એડ કરી શકો. The reason behind it is that કે આપણે ફ્યુચરમાં એવું નાખી શકીશું કે સપોઝ આ ચેટ બોક્સ આફ્ટર લોગિન આપણને શો અપ થાય, રાઈટ? સો આફ્ટર લોગિન થશે ત્યારે શું થશે કે આપણને ટાઈમ સ્ટેમ્પ મળશે, યુઝરની પ્રોફાઇલ મળશે અને એની ચેટ મળશે. એટલે અત્યાર માટે એ ડેટા જો આપણે ટેક્સ્ટ ફાઇલમાં એક જ સાથે એપેન્ડ કરી શકીશું ને, one after another, that would be really helpful. And every time you recreate, that's going to take up a lot of memory, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so try researching into it and also try looking into the socket programming. Future man, if we are developing a chat box, we would take the need of the socket programming.
Yes.
So what does socket programming do is it creates a client and a server. So જે બી login user message કરશે એ client થશે અને a socket, it can either be a TCP or a UDP socket which will connect to the server અને એ જે chatમાં જે message આવશે એ server પર જશે socket communication. ખબર પડી or confusion?
થોડું knowledge છે.
Okay, so socket programming no try to research a bit and okay, and a set attribute je che, is it taking UTF-8 by default? If it is, then you don't have to describe it. Maybe I'm not sure. मैं JavaScript એટલું કર્યું નથી, but it is just Python when you encode, it's by default UTF-8. So in order to optimize the code, just see it should not be redundant.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
એટલે
Check
વગર
કરી
કામનું આપણે declaration ના કરતા હોય. Just make sure. Okay, UTF-8, if it is by default, then this string should be like okay, Isham. Or but you don't have to, you might not need to mention it. बाकी तो document or add text name html file create करे देंगे text में, it's putting it in add text txt. Okay, this looks good, but वच्चे जो spacing थोड़ी વધારે છે. We don't want this
Yes.
blank space like 127, 129, 131. Right? We don't want those blank spaces.
Yes.
Yeah. Function ni vacche you can keep it like 134 is a legitimate space. 139 is a legitimate space. That's okay, but not in between this. 126 mana hovi joye, 129 mana hovi joye, 131 mana hovi joye. Okay. Any feedbacks on this? Good work, guys. Any feedback? આ વસ્તુ પર કોઈના feedback છે?
मेरे को पता नहीं।
Oh, sorry, Simran.
यार हाँ, मुझे था कि ये क्या ये
You joined late.
नहीं मुझे था it's 12:30 रात को।
नहीं, सुबह था.
अच्छा.
Anyways, I'll be terminating this Zoom room because we just have 8 minutes left, I think 6 or 7 minutes, and I'll resend one more link. We can quickly join in there, right?
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Shreyansh and Prit, you have anything else to present on this thing? You were
No, sir.
supposed to
ध्यान में रात को
align the UI as well, right?
હા સર, પણ એ અત્યારે નથી થયું.
Okay.
હું ચેન્જ આખું ફૂટર ચેન્જ કરવાનું ટ્રાય કરું છું, કાંઈ તો આખી ડિઝાઇન નથી.
Okay. કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Just make sure you do this. So 3 tasks for you, right? Kushal bhai, તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો, right?
Answer ji.
Yes. Okay. I'll just terminate this room. I'll put up a new link really quick and let's all catch up there, right?